So Photoshop is just acting weird. Maybe something is wrong, but you can't quite put your finger on it. Or maybe something is very obviously wrong, like a tool is broken or things aren't displaying correctly. If this is the case, you should try resetting the Photoshop preferences. So let's close Photoshop. Now find the icon you used to launch Photoshop, but don't press it just yet. So here it is here inside of my dock. Before we press that button, we need to be holding down a series of keys. So here on a Mac, those keys are Command, Option, Shift. So that's Command, Option, Shift on a Mac. On a Windows machine, that's Control, Alt, Shift. So Control, Alt, Shift on a Windows machine. So with those keys held down, let's click on that Photoshop icon and keep those keys held down until this little dialog box here appears, at which point you can happily release the keys. Okay, delete the Adobe Photoshop settings file. Don't let the word delete scare you. It is a scary word, I know, but don't worry. Photoshop, yes, it will delete these files, but it will immediately rebuild those preference files for us. So let's just choose yes. Give Photoshop a minute to rebuild those files. And here we go. That's it. Hopefully the problems are now solved.